Giants and Dodgers, lots of emotions before the game. Juan Uribe honored by the fans and his former teammates back in San Francisco for the first time since winning the World Series. And then both teams paying tribute to Brian Stowe, the Giants fan who was beaten after going to a Dodgers-Giants game. To the top of the second, Madison Bumgarner, he thinks he's got Matt Kemp picked off. He does not. Kemp able to steal second base, and that was key because in the same at-bat, James Loney singles off of Freddie Sanchez's glove, and then Kemp, showing great speed, comes all the way around to score, and the Dodgers take a 1-0 lead. They give that to Clayton Kershaw, and boy, is this kid good. Aaron Rowan to Brandon Belt. Then in the fourth, it's Buster Posey, and Kershaw has the good stuff working. To the top of the fifth, as if he needs another run.
Barajas, a long fly ball to left. Burrell at the wall, and this one is gone. So Rod Barajas clears the left field wall, and the Dodgers now lead 2-0.
Second in the year for Barajas. In the same inning, Rafael Furcal steals third, and then Andre Ethier going to single home for Cal. Next up, Matt Kemp.
Breaking ball line to left. Coming up is Burrell, but it bounces by him all the way to the wall. In comes Carroll. Here comes Ethier. And the Dodgers get an out at third as Kemp tries to get to the bag, but 2 runs come in, and it's 5-0 Dodgers.
From there, it was child's play for Clayton Kershaw. Here's Pablo Sandoval. Sit down. Posey, again, can't touch this. 6 2/3 scoreless for Kershaw. He strikes out 7, and he now has a 23 2/3 inning scoreless streak against the Giants. However, the win may have cost the Dodgers for Cal's services for a bit. He broke his thumb stealing third in the fifth.